Hello everyone, how to tours back with another new video, and in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can mute someone in Bluesky social app. Okay, so here you can see it's the home page of Bluesky, but if you want to mute someone, then you have to choose that account first. So I'm going to choose randomly this one, and once I got it, then here you'll get the option on three dot, this one. So simply click on that. Once you click on that, then here you'll get the option mute account, the third one. So simply click mute. Once you click mute, then this account will be muted. You will not able to see his or her content anymore, but it's available and you can see anytime if you come here manually. So okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching.